black pepper kingfish papaya stew or black pepper kingfish papaya bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the kingfish recipes and one of the most unique of the fish recipes and one of the most delicious of the seafood recipes and one of the most different of the papaya recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes. Today we're going to make black pepper kingfish papaya stew. We have taken around 350 to 400 grams of kingfish cut into pieces, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, around 200 to 300 grams of papaya peeled and cut into pieces, 15 grams of garlic, 15 grams of ginger, 2 green chilies, 20 to 25 shallots, 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves, pan, and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Put in the ginger. Starts ready. Garlic sauce. Keep on sauteing. garlic, sauteed garlic, keep on sauteing. Put in the papaya pieces. Salt. Put in 2 to 3 curry leaves. Put in the tomato piece. Chopped cabbage. Thoroughly chopping it. Put in salt to taste. Put in spoon of black pepper powder. And a spoon of coriander powder. Spoon of fennel powder. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Thoroughly mix. Put in the kingfish pieces. Mix these with the rest of the mixture. green chili. Now close and let this mixture cook for 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. The black pepper kingfish papaya stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper kingfish papaya stew or black pepper kingfish papaya bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fish recipes and one of the most unique of the seafood recipes and one of the most different of the kingfish recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the papaya recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.